The pet feeder has a power supply that plugs into the inside of the battery compartment, and the emergency use for the batteries is here at the bottom, and it won't use those unless it comes unplugged. Then you feed the cable through this little weaving thing here, and then it goes around and it can plug directly into any USB port thing, or it can plug into the provided plug-in adapter. You'll want to download the Pet Partner app and hook it all up via Alexa after this is all put together, and then load the food in. So, go. Cover is on. Gonna turn it back right side up, and let's get going on everything else. After downloading the Pet Partner app, you can walk yourself right through the entire setup, starting with the Wi-Fi connection. Would you like to watch some recorded video? Inside the unit, lift open the main door where you put the food in, and then pull out the food bucket itself, and you will find a little compartment to put in the micro SD card so that you can record video or access recorded video. So it goes in and it snaps in kind of like that. The feeder wants an empty basket in order to do its calibration to 0 ounces. Once you pour the food in and fill it to the top, you can then see the amount of ounces it will hold. Okay, we have our dog food loaded up, and I did the math, and there's approximately 53-ish ounces. I did pour the majority of a 64 ounce or 4-pound bag in here, and there's not much left, and I measured the remainder to be a little over 10 ounces, nearly 7 cups. You can record your own announcement, and you can have it set to play
come get your food
whenever it feeds, and you'll notice the bigger chunks even came out as well. And I was looking for a feeder that would actually support the bigger chunks that come out, because our last one didn't support these, so all that would come out would be the tiny bite-sized kernels, and now the little chunks of dry chicken are coming out too. So that's really, really nice. Alexa, ask Pet Partner to feed my dog 10 portions.
Okay, 10 portions has been fed.
Come get your food. It's time to eat. Happy, come get your food. It's time to eat. Happy, come get your food. It's time to eat.
And here we have it. We have 10 portions. And for my dog, that's half Chihuahua, I think that's good enough for a feed. And you can have it going from 1 to 99 portions. Emptying or cleaning out the tray is very easy to do. On the side of the tray, there are 2 little buttons to press, and you push them in. And as you can see here, there's one on this side and one on this side. And you can easily lift the tray out, dump it out, clean it, whatever it is you'd like. Real easy. You need to set it back in before you can pop the bottom piece back in. You'll put your fingers back on these pieces on the side, hold both in, and it snaps easily in place. thanks for listening and watching my video. I think this is a great pet feeder. I love how it works with the Wi-Fi and with Alexa as well.